It's currently 9:30. By now I should have finished working out. I wasted some time, of course, on the internet browsing some Instagram and some Facebook, and now I'm feeling really shitty, and if I waste any more time I am going to not have time to work out. So we are working out. So I just finished with my workout, 30 minutes of exercise, nothing too much. So I am going out for lunch today, and I think I'm in the mood for some dessert, which is why it was extremely important for me to work out so that I can enjoy my dessert guilt-free. And I am taking you guys along with me for lunch. So I'm just gonna get done with some work, get ready and head out for lunch. See you soon. So I'm ready now, and as it has become customary on the vlogs for me to show you my outfit, here it is. I am wearing a simple pink dress with a little detail on the sleeve, and yeah, my necklace from Maharani Bagh. My hair is still a little wet, but it'll dry up eventually. And let's go for lunch. So I'm meeting Shalaka for lunch. I'm having lunch with her, and those of you who've been following my videos for some time know Shalaka because I took you inside her house. We did a house tour of her video, and today house tour of her home, sorry. Today we are at her store because I'm picking her up, and let me take you inside the store, which is Sanskriti in Koregaon Park. Oh my god, such gorgeous stuff. I feel like taking all of this home. And then there are these little sections inside the store which are so cute. Show us the new section of the store. Okay, come. So this is Shalaka. Everyone knows Shalaka. Everyone went into Shalaka's house, so now she's showing us the store. This is such a cute yellow bench, ma'am. I feel like transporting all of this in my...
Incidentally, this is from Ferguson College.
Really?
It is.
How come?
Well, they thought that these are old, useless.
They don't
things
need it?
Yeah, you don't need it. So they must have ripped all of them. I had a whole lot of benches.
Maybe at one point in time I bunked a lecture and sat on this.
Could be. And of course,
Quite likely.
It wasn't as
the amount I
bright and
bunked.
interesting as this yellow one that we've converted into.
It was, yeah.
It had a chapa of Ferguson in that stencil thing. That's how I know.
So cool. Yeah. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Okay, so this is the new section of her store, which I have also never seen, and we're going to see it now for
Bad
the first
girl.
time.
Bad girl.
Very bad, yeah. How did I miss this? Such a huge section. It's not a section, it's like a whole store. What was this earlier?
Nothing. We just had.
This building also wasn't there?
Nothing was there.
So this was
So
open
I must
space.
tell you something really interesting about this. My husband has completely designed this from the scratch. It's entirely designed by him. And how it got designed is you have to see that facade there. It's from an old Wada in Gujarat. That little section.
Oh.
And the entire design of a new section has come about keeping that in mind. So everything is
Around that.
around it, and everything got redesigned and designed keeping that as a focal point.
That's so cool.
That
Part
That
is what the focal point is. We have to see it from inside.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That's what you were talking about?
Yeah. No, not that. That is another. That's.
Oh wow.
pose in this for me then. Lovely Abhilasha. You can go inside and check. Yeah, from here. With the whole structure which was there, which we refurbished, and then it was lying there for a long time, for 2 years. Treasure trove, na? And then you see all of that.
All of that, yeah. Inspired to like get my laptop and
Ha, na?
do some work here. So cool, yeah. It feels like I'm, in some other era, in some other place. Oh my god, I've shown my sister this.
She also didn't come. Then there's this one. This
We both came together for the Diwali thing. Both of us didn't-
I have to still.
Like I'm a Munimji or something. Doing my accounts, which I know nothing about.
Give me a nice smile now.
Figuring out GST.
Seriously, I should take inspiration and do one photo like this. Figuring out GST.
We're going to Sassy Spoon for lunch.
You want to try anywhere else? But it's good food.
I don't know of any other place.
दाल चावल खाना है क्या?
Have you tried any of the desserts?
I have, but I don't remember.
Not memorable enough.
Food of the
So this was what? The risotto.
yeah, fenugreek.
Fenugreek risotto. And this is the
House of green
House
salad.
of Green salad.
No, you have to put like this.
So my nails and the dessert are matching. So this is picked by Shalaka.
Yeah. And the golden sprinkle.
Okay, how was the food?
Very yummy. Very
What
nice.
did you like? The risotto.
No doubt. And 10 out of 10.
So risotto was 10 out of 10. Salad was what?
I think 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. And dessert?
5.
5, no?
Yeah.
Dessert was a
I think
little
it was-
disappointing.
I think it was good, but it's not to my taste.
So anyway, I'm saying bye to Shalaka now. In the
Bye,
background,
Abhilasha. Thank you.
you can see the store and you must visit it if you're in Pune. And I'm going to head out now. Chal, bye. So I've just got back home. I left the camera in my car for a little portion of the day. I went to get a Swedish massage and it was amazing. I think it's the best massage that I have experienced in my entire life. Not that I have been for too many massages, but this was amazing. I feel totally blissed out. I just feel like putting my head on a pillow and dozing off into dreamland. But I still have a little bit of work to do. I want to publish a vlog today, so I will go get that done hopefully today and say goodbye to you. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you enjoyed coming to lunch with me. If you did, please leave a comment below. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and please keep coming back for more videos.